Got it? Hello everybody. This is my macaw parrot bird, Sarge, and we're going to give him a massage, and I'm going to show you how he really can relax and enjoy a treatment. I like doing this to a lot of animals, but watch what he does. He just absolutely loves it. You ready, Sarge? You want a treatment? He wants a treatment, so watch this. Here, come on. I'm going to massage him. I'm going to get him really relaxed. So watch what happens. Watch how he really gets comfortable. See, he's already starting to really relax. Okay, come closer to his head. Come, move it right up here. Go right up to him. You can come right here if you want, please. Can you see me, my face? See, he really, really loves it. And I can spend an hour or more and he actually can fall asleep. He slightly snores. You can hear him going. I'm not exaggerating. Can you just take it?
There you go.
Okay, buddy.
Zoom in. Hey, stay right there. Go closer.
Sometimes he'll open his wings all the way open. And he'll just trance out, and he doesn't want me to stop. You go to his eye. Okay. See, he loves it. He's totally relaxed. It's a wonderful thing to take care of your animals with love. This is actually probably too much for a parrot, but when you love animals, this is just a way of showing that you really care. And he's happy all the time. So you can do this to your animals. This is going to be a short version video of how I massage a parrot, but this is the deal. So, like that. That was a quickie. So, there you have it. So Sarge, what'd you think of that treatment? Did you like it? Huh? Hey, did you like it? Yeah, he likes it. Okay, well, treat your birds. That's the way it goes for now. You like that, huh, Sarge? Can we treat you later? Is everything yes? So I can treat you for on. Would you recommend me? Huh? Can you recommend me to other people? Okay, thanks. That's it for now. Bird massages. Maybe another business, maybe not. Just having fun. Bye. Say goodbye, Sarge. Goodbye.